Let the game begin.
Look how cut he got.
The agony!
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Senate City, episode 2 of the $100,000 competition. Yeah! We have to give a big warm welcome to the new member of the influencer team, Chaz Tepper, right here, everyone. And even more importantly, our host of episode 2, Dave England.
All right, welcome to Senate City. This week, it's the goddamn trailer of trash. Oh. Wait, was that you? I forgot about that part. I was just concentrating on going backwards. We got the athletes. Yeah. We got the Daredevils. Yeah. And the influential influencers. Oh! They're gonna go in this trailer and do weird in there. Out of the three of you, if you had to pick, which team would like to go first?
I think that will be us.
What wise decision from the Daredevils?
All right, you guys ready? Let's go. Do it.
Here's how the show works. 3 teams, 10 rounds, $100,000 cash prize. Each round has a new guest host that brings a brand new challenge. The athletes, the influencers, the Daredevils all compete to make the best videos that incorporate the task. Whatever it takes, no matter the risk. May the most viral video win. Welcome to Senate City.
All right, well, the Daredevils are up first. What are you gonna build out of these Legos, guys? Can't wait to see it.
Those Legos are for us to walk on, sadly. We got a bunch of mouse traps. What are we gonna be doing with those, Khyler? What do you think?
Trapping mice.
Oh!
I'll put it away.
You make me slip. No, these guys are great. Let the game begin. Do something cool. Sick of you.
Yeah, let's be garbage. This is a good box. Be a good box. Don't do that, dude. No more. Don't. You mother.
Yeah, your guys have two problems around like so.
Oh, dude, my feet are gonna be ruined.
Ready? Dude, I'm afraid of getting a splinter more than just stepping on them. We're stepping on the
jets.
Everyone ready?
Yeah. I don't hear no snapping.
Then send it. Oh,
I hear some snapping.
dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, I can hear it.
Oh, I can hear the mouse traps going off. Stupid rodents.
God damn it. Ow.
Like babies back here.
God, oh my god! Oh my god!
Like the things digging your skin just cut the out of you. Like,
I call the little metal things.
Dude, that hurt worse than oh my god, there's so many stuck. Like, look how cut he got from the thing. Like, these are like the mouse trap. Dude, look at the back here. Let me see.
Oh my god, bro. There's so many on you right now.
I hate these things. Get them the out
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. What the?
Dude, like, everybody got cut, dude. Like my big toe, my
I called it. I said, it won't be the traps that get you. It's gonna be those little metal staples, and I was right. They got up. Yeah, I know my stuff.
Yeah, gentlemen.
There's been so many Legos. My butt crack, dude. The Lego landed in my butt crack.
Mckenna is going to just be all gas, no brakes. And as far as back here, I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna see.
Stand the whole time.
I'm just glad to watch it from this truck. I'm glad I don't have to be in here.
Yeah.
I'm so bummed. I'm so bummed.
They're not even building anything back there.
So glad we're in this truck. Dude, what?
Crybabies. Very uneventful. They're not sending it at the city. The agony. Where are we going?
Oh, you guys don't want to be around here.
Hey, what's all the moaning about back there, guys?
You guys good?
What's up, boys?
Goddamn, get these. Look at the Lego.
Colin's bandage ended up on you. What the
Oh my God, they're bleeding. Dude, the Legos made them bleed.
Oh my God.
Hell. Bloody hell.
I'm not seeing anything.
Check his asshole now. Dibs. Check his asshole. Dibs.
Never in my life will I step on Legos like this.
Chad,
Yes.
I'm confused because this is not your team and yet you're in here.
I like to party,
We have a
bro.
big box.
But you were probably the one complaining the most.
I know. I'm that guy that likes to party and then complain. That's what I do.
He's probably building a ambulance for you.
It was actually a train or a plane.
Train.
Oh my God.
We got them Legos so they'd stay quiet. They weren't quiet. They were moaning, groaning, complaining the whole time. Bunch of little sissy bitches.
I'll be here, bitch.
That's just my opinion.
Were you more impressed with the mousetraps or the Legos?
I was very unimpressed by everything.
Lego fight! Lego fight! The boys are gonna push me
Product
off.
right here is fine,
And then it's gonna catch and hopefully I can go and drift around the track.
That done. I'm gonna.
What's really going to happen?
I'm gonna floor it.
He's gonna fly back. We're just gonna get smoked.
I think you're right.
3, 2, 1.
I knew that was gonna I told him, if you punch it, there's no way I can hold on. I'm not doing that again. That felt like
Bro, you were like this when it got pulled.
one glove had it and the other glove I didn't look.
Yeah, that's valid. So, if you think the Daredevils should be the winner, go to @sendit at Instagram or TikTok or senditsociety.com and vote there. If you think any of these people are worth winning, go ahead.
God damn it, dude. I hate those things.